Hi viewers, you're welcome to Fasha Ikeno Raphael YouTube channel. I'm also called Coach Raphael. If you're just viewing my channel for the first time, I'd like you to click the subscribe button and also share this video because you're going to learn what to make you a millionaire in some. Hi viewers, you're welcome to Coach Raphael YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can navigate through Facebook groups and sell to high-paying clients. If you have been looking for how you can sell to people on Facebook through groups, this is the best video for you. So I would like you to wait to the end of this video. If you actually wait, I have a gift for you and you will not miss it. So I would like you to wait patiently and follow this class. And if you are just viewing my video for the first time, I would like you to click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications. So let's get started. All right, so I would like to take just some seconds out of your time. If you care to listen, at the end of this video I have a gift for you. What if I tell you that you don't have to wait till the end of the video before you can get your gift? Now I have a bonus for you. I have put up all my courses that will help you make money online. That's amazing, right? So you just have to go and check the button below, the description section of this video, and go get your own slot. This bonus is just for $5. I've put up a course that will help you learn how to make money online. You just have to get your own slot with just $5. You will get access to this video and you're going to learn everything you need to know. It's a bumper offer that will give you access to all my tutorials on how you can make money online and how you can go about it. Just go check the link and you will get access to it. Do it now, don't miss out your slot. Okay, so this is my Facebook group. Okay, this is my Facebook group, so I'll be going through these groups and show you how you can get started, how you can navigate through these groups, and also get the best from this group. So I want you to follow to this class and you understand what I have for you. Okay, are you ready? So the first thing to do is to do a research on groups. So I'm going to do a research on groups that I want to sell to. But before that, let's talk about this. Now, before you actually search on groups, you must have known who you want to sell to. I mean, the audience you want to sell to. Maybe you want to sell to students, you want to sell to pregnant mommies or the expecting mommies, or you want to sell to those that are in universities, or want to sell to those that are planning to travel out of the country. But I'll be using two case study in this video. I'll be selling to pregnant mommies and expecting mommies, and also I'll be selling to students. So I will show you how you can search for groups that you can sell to. And you must know that before you sell in any group, there are some criterion that you need to put into consideration. Number one, the group must be an active group. You know, there are some groups that they are just there, nobody is posting on the group. That is not a good group to sell. Now, if you want to sell, you must look into the activity of this group. How often do they post? You look at the post engagement in that group too. Now, let's take for example, I want to sell to a group that involves the pregnant mommy. So I will come to my group, then I'll make my searches. So I've already followed some groups on pregnant mommies. Now, this particular group, this group in particular, is one of the groups that I actually join so that I can sell to the pregnant mommies there. Now, this is what you need to do. You know, like this group now, it's very active. Like on a daily basis, they have, you can see just today someone posted a post and the person have up to 43 comments and 121 reactions. Let's look at the other day. You can see, like, at least in a day, people are reacting to posts. It shows that this is a good group to sell to. Now listen up, you can't just join a group and you want to start bugging them with information. What do you need to do? This is why you need to pay full attention now. If you join groups like this, you have to do your due diligence. Let's say, for example, I am a man, I'm not pregnant, I'm not expecting, so my mission is to offer value and get money in exchange. So what do I need to do? So I need to do my research, look at the previous posts that they have posted into the group before I join, and look at how I can actually come in. Now I do much more to read through posts and I will comment. Once I comment, I can just go to some posts, I will comment under it, I will give a positive reaction, or if someone should ask a question, even if I don't know the answer to the question, I will quickly go to Google, research the question and give the person the best answer. I will also say that if this answer doesn't suit you well, you may want to visit your doctor. Now in this way, I'm trying to create visibility for myself, so that before I actually sell to them, I have created trust, because trust is very important. If you are not creating trust and you want to sell to people, they will not actually believe in you. They will think you are a scammer. So I'm trying to create what I call KLT, know, like and trust. Doing this, I will actually register my name to the mind of people and I will not face difficulty in selling. Alright, so one thing then I do is this: I will want to do like a 30 days challenge. How do I mean? I will research on a topic that I will be feeding them with, maybe topic that they need. The people that are here, they are pregnant mommies, they are expecting, those that are with child, those that want solution for their child, those that are pregnant, they are very naive about pregnancy, maybe they are first timers and they want to get information from experienced mothers. So you can just put yourself as a researcher that will just research what they will need, maybe what to eat during pregnancy, healthy food to take during pregnancy, the exercise can do during pregnancy. You can give them a daily content on these things. While you are doing that, you know what you are doing. If you do this for 30 days and you keep giving them hot value, you are trying to register your mind. You are trying to register your name in the mind of the people that are reading. And as they are reading your posts, ensure that those that are reacting to your posts, you actually follow them up. I've uploaded a video on this channel on what I call CLAM, CLAM, comment, like, add and message. Now you can use CLAM to follow them up. So if you want to get more information, you can look for my videos on how to use CLAM on Facebook to drive customers into your inner circle. So first you must know that you must look for active group. How do you know an active group? You will know an active group from their engagement. Now if someone should post in a day, what are the engagement that the person will have, able to know an active group. Then you look into the group, then you look how you can come in and sell to these people. Once you sell to them, then let me give you a disclaimer so you don't do that mistake. You can't post your offer in the group directly, because even the admin will not accept that. So how do you sell to them is very important. While you are making your post that you are offering value, people will like it, will comment. Now you can actually follow up on people that are liking your post. They are your prospects, so just follow them up, right? Just follow them up, and you're going to add them on your Facebook, become friends with them so that you can easily message them. That is where the CLAM come in. You will comment on their reaction, then you will like the comment, then you can add them. You have to add them, you message them. When you message them, you can build a relationship with them. Then you can move them from the Facebook to your inner circle. It can be your WhatsApp or any medium you want to use to sell to them. This thing works like anything. If you try it and you have hot offer and you have offer that they can't resist, you will sell. And you can even offer your service. If you're a writer, this is what I do. I'm just telling you an idea, you can try it. Now this is what I do, because I write and I go start for people. I can just tell them that, okay, I will help you write on your experience as a pregnant woman, what you have experienced during your pregnancy. I will help you put it into book, and also show you the platform that you can put it and also make money. You surely like that, right? So that's that. Other group you want to search for, let's say students. Now you can just search for a student group. Like I have this particular group that I created some months ago. It has over 5.8 thousand members. Now once you look at, is this group having engagement? In the last previous week, what are the engagements on this group? You see, I made a post, hi everyone, as the group admin, blah 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 blah. Now these are the reaction on the group. I have 30 comments and I have 12 reactions. Let me show you again. I have 5.8 thousand members. This shows that there's no much activity on this group. Now the rate of engagement in this group is that, let's say 1%. Imagine out of 5,000 people, close to 6,000 people, I'm having 30 comments. It shows that the rate of people coming to view the group is very low. So you may not really sell much on this group, but you can try. But let's look for another group that we want to sell. So let's search for another group on Facebook. So let's say Lagos State University. It has over 44,000 members. Let's look at the post engagement. Wow, this is a great market can sell to. See, someone posted, okay, this is post from last year. I think it's pinned. Let's look for current posts. 2 days ago. Okay, this person posted 2 days ago and I have 3 comments. Okay, still struggling. The post is struggling. Let's look at other groups like that. Okay, this group don't really have high engagement. Let's look for another group. Let's look at this group. Let's see if it has high engagement. Okay, let's look at the current post and see how people reacted to it. Okay, there's no current post here, so you can just do your own research too, and look for groups that having high engagement. Like look at this group now. I think this post is from today, 11 hours ago, and see 50 comments. And let's look at the group now. This group, let's see the number of people on the group. They have 75,000 members, and you see this post just from today. It has 106. Meaning that people do visit the group. This from 2 days ago, 10 comments and blah. So these are the things you can do. Now if you need more advice on how you can go about this, I have a to Z strategy that worked for me, that helped me convert. I just want to show just 5 people how to go about this thing. If you are interested, I would like you to comment below in the button below and type show me. So I'll just look for you and I will find a way to connect with you, and I will send you a message right away or send you a mail. You chat me up and I will show you, how you can do this and have a fast result. If you get value from this video, I'd like you to comment in the button below, share it, like it, and also comment. Let me know where you get value and let me know where you need more clarity. This is how you can make money in 2023, navigating through Facebook groups and milk high-paying clients. Trust me, they are high-paying clients on some Facebook group, but you have to appear to them as someone that can be trusted. How can you do this? You need to follow me up and get my strategy. Then you can see how I milk people from Facebook groups and I sell to them drastically. Don't miss out on this. Let me see you on the other side. I remain Coach Raphael. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. All right.